So get your calculators out and some notes. We are going to just do a little review of prime factorization. What does that mean? You do them as trees. So they're called prime factorization trees. So remember, prime numbers are numbers that can't be multiplied into anything. So prime numbers are numbers like 2, because the only way you get 2 is 1 times 2. 3 is a prime number because the only way you get a 3 is 1 times 3. 4 is not prime because 2 times 2 is 4, and 2s are prime numbers. 5 is a prime number. 6 is not a prime number because it's also 2 times 3. So all of these are primes because the only way you can get them is to multiply them by itself and 1. Okay? So when we do a prime factorization tree, you need to think what factors multiply to get the number. Factors are what times what give you the number. And you keep making the tree until all of the numbers at the end of the branches are prime. Okay? Okay, so easy peasy. So we're going to make a tree. So for example, 20 is 4 times 5. You could do it in a different way possibly. Okay, now I know 5 is prime, so I'm going to circle it. And I know 4 is not prime, so we're going to do 2 and 2. Those are prime numbers. So my answer is, from lowest to biggest, 2 times 2 times 5 gives me 20. Okay, that's how it would go, smallest to biggest. If you instead, what if you did 20 is 10 times 2? Okay, we're just going to try it a different way. 2 is still prime. Okay, 10 is 2 times 5. Those are also prime numbers. Do you see you still get 2 times 2 times 5? Those are, we want to start smallest to biggest, okay? Okay, so even though if you choose different factors, by the bottom of the tree, all those prime numbers should match up. Okay, 84. Well, what goes into 84? 84 is 4 times 21. Okay, now 4 is not prime, it's called composite, is 2 times 2, and those are prime. Okay, 21 is also 7 times 3, and those are also prime. So my final answer is 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. Remember, I go smallest to biggest, and everything's that's circled. 4 things are circled, 4 things are multiplied together. Okay, 260. Well, I'm not sure, but I know that is 10 times 26 because it ends in a 0. Okay, and I know 10 is 2 times 5. Those are prime factorizations. Okay, be careful. Sometimes people go 5 times 5 is 10 because they're thinking adding. Don't do that. 26 is 2 times 13. I know it's 2 times something because any even number, 2 always goes into it. And 13 is also prime. So it's 2 times 2 times 5 times 13. That's my answer. Last one, 1980. Okay, again, it ends in a 0, so I know it's 10 times 198. And I know 10 is 2 times 5. Okay, I'm circling those. I like to color code. Now, 198, I know if nothing else, 2 goes into it because it's even. That's 2 times 99. Okay, 2 is prime, so I circle it. 99, I go, no, it's 9 times 11, and I know 11 is prime because the only way I get 11 is 1 times 11. But I do know that 9 is 3 times 3. So you got to be really good at knowing your math facts. Oops, sorry, these should be red. Picked up the wrong color. Okay, so now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things circled. I have 2 2s. Oops. 2 3s, a 5, and 11. And if I wanted to check and do that, put those in my calculator, 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 11, it should give me my answer of 1980. Okay? Okay, so you have a lovely worksheet. Check your answers and please do the formative. Have a great day, all.